What are some of the other reasons why people want legal counsel beyond, establishing their S Corp or LLC? What are some of the other areas that you think people overlook or ignore that could be dangerous down the road?
Oh my goodness, that's such a great question, and I love to talk about this one. And we and my team talk about it all the time because we want to help people understand how critical it is. But it's their contracts. People always will seem to think about formation sometimes. I guess because you have to have that to file taxes and to be legal. People think about their trademarks, but those contracts, people will grab them off of Google, LegalZoom, and if you are running
ChatGPT.
right. How could I forget that one? And that is, there is no way if you're breaking a template and you've got a specialized service, you want your service agreements to accurately reflect the services you're offering, the terms and conditions, the client expectation, pricing, timelines. And if you're grabbing something off the internet, it's going to be missing probably half of those things because it's going to be baseline boilerplate things, and also those vendor agreements that people are signing. So they're working with these vendors and they're handing them agreements, and people don't even, business owners don't even know that they could be negotiating these contracts. They can save themselves tons of money. They can give the termination clauses. They can give. There's so many. Have rights to their information in their IP. It's a lot of small details that without having someone with a trained eye that would be missed and very costly at some point. So, and lease agreements are another one. So, various types of agreements are ones because people get them because they assume because they're the small fish that they can't negotiate those, or it just is what it is, and that's very rarely the case. The vast majority of them can be negotiated. And same thing with lease agreements. Signing those lease agreements without having an attorney review and advocating and negotiating, you're leaving tons of money and opportunity on the table.